Alright y'all, it's Grind Time Media here. I'm doing a review today. This time it's on the BYTECH, the Art of Technology. This is a multi-function flexible mount. I saw this at Ollie's, picked it up for $3.99. What made me interested in it, as I saw this gentleman here, he was shooting a video and he put the camera phone or smartphone directly over his shoulder with this mount and was able to shoot a video. No tripod, nothing. I also saw in another picture that you could have it sitting on your desk and have it facing yourself, hands-free on your desk without a tripod. I saw in another picture at the bottom here, this person is actually sitting in their vehicle and they have it on the headrest, and they're sitting in the back seat of a car and they're enjoying television or whatever. Like, yeah, wow, this is great. Yeah. And comes in a little box, and on the back it says that it's adjustable holder, compatible with most smartphones. Flexible gooseneck allows you to adjust the holder at any angle. And it also is a cushioned base. Its cushioned base holds the device firmly on flat surfaces. Okay, as a matter of fact, I have the unit here so I can show you. This is the unit. It has a nice padding here that I like. Very comfortable. It moves. This stuff's very flexible. I don't know what's in it, but I can move it, bend it, and it doesn't even break. So, I can bend it that way. I can bend it back this way just by grabbing this and get both ends to match, which means it can sit on your shoulder like so. Right? That's cool. It's got a big area here for your smartphone. And it actually swivels. I'll show you that. It moves right there. See? There you go. It moves. And I'll turn it around. You take a look at it there. It's got the name right there, nicely put by BYTECH. And whoever made this item made millions of dollars, but it's actually pretty cheap. And if you're looking for something, I tried to walk with it, and put it over my shoulder and walk with it, but it kind of was moving like this when you're walking, like bouncing around. I don't like that too much, but I do like the fact that if you don't want to carry a tripod, if you don't like if you're not a tripod, setting up a tripod, tripods to me draw too much attention. People think like you're shooting a film or something and it's just too much going on. But if you had this on your shoulder and you're just sitting there and you're at a function, you actually could turn it around. Well, maybe you can't turn it around. Maybe it has to be facing you, but you can even put it on your shoulder, and if you flip this end over and had it more at your waistline and tilted it up, it wouldn't draw as much of attention as you sitting there with the tripod. Just sitting there with the tripod on the ground, So if you're blogging and you're just trying to, have something with functionability that's not too obvious, then this is it. Pick up this product by BYTECH. And it's Grind Time Media. Please like and subscribe. I'm out.